my channel. So today I will be showing you how to make a pretty popular dish that's usually served at barbecues, baby showers, weddings, or even your typical Chinese Vietnamese restaurants. This dish is so easy to make, and today I will be showing you how to make a Vietnamese style fried rice called Chien Duong Chau. Chien Duong Chau usually have toppings such as carrots, peas, eggs, Vietnamese sausage, and barbecue pork. Unfortunately, I do not have barbecue pork, but we can still make our yummy fried rice. Everyone makes their fried rice differently, but I want to share with you guys my recipe and how I usually make it, and I think you guys will enjoy it. So now let's get into the ingredients. Here I have about 1.5 cups of peas and carrots. You can buy this at the Vietnamese supermarket or American supermarket at the frozen section. Over here I have my rice. This is about 2 cups of uncooked rice. I cooked my rice 3 hours ahead, and I use very little water so that the grain of rice can be dry. You don't want it to be too wet so that when you fry the rice it won't clump up together. I put it in the fridge for about an hour so that the rice can dry up. We're gonna need about 3 eggs, our tomato sauce, about 1/2 cup of minced garlic, Vietnamese sausage, and this is the Vietnamese sausage that I use. This is the more premium one. It's about $7. It's more expensive than the regular one. Some sugar, our chicken seasoning, and soy sauce. Over here we have our cilantro to garnish on our fried rice later. This is optional. The most critical ingredients to this dish is the rice. So make sure you guys make the rice as directed so that your fried rice won't clump together. So first we're going to get into prepping our rice. Here I have my rice. I'm going to add in 1 egg. And I'm going to add in 1/2 can of my tomato sauce here. This can is about 8 ounces, so I'm using about 4 ounces. And now we're going to mix it up. So you want to mix everything up pretty well so that all the rice is covered with the tomato sauce. See how our rice is kind of apart from each other? They're not clumpy. If you make your rice wet or too much water, it will get clumpy. Okay, now we're going to head over to cut our sausages. I have 3 sausages here. I'm going to cut it in 4. These sausages have been pre-cooked. You can choose to boil them or fry them. These have been boiled for around 5 minutes. So now we're finished prepping our ingredients. Let's start frying our fried rice. So now our pan is hot. We're going to lower it to medium heat. We're going to add in our oil. About 2 tablespoons. We're going to add in our garlic. So we're going to add in our rice. Now you want to turn the heat back up high so that we can start cooking our rice. I turned up the heat low earlier so that I don't burn the garlic. Now we're going to add in our rice. You want to constantly stir the fried rice because if you leave it alone on high heat, it will burn the bottom. So you want to constantly stir so that the grain of rice can break apart. After stirring for about 5 minutes, we're going to add in our peas and carrots. to lower the heat a little bit. You don't want it to be too high. Now we're going to add in our seasoning. We're going to put in about half a tablespoon of chicken powder. Mix everything up. We're going to add in about half a tablespoon of sugar. So I like to put my rice on the side like this to leave room to cook the eggs. Now I'm going to add in my eggs. Now we're going to wait till our eggs cook. So now while our eggs is cooking, now we can mix it up. You can choose to add more eggs if you want. And now we can mix everything up. And now we're going to add in our sausages. So we're going to mix everything up. And I'm going to add in about half a tablespoon of soy sauce. See how your rice is not clumpy? If you cook your rice how you normally cook it, your fried rice will turn out clumpy. So the rice is very critical. Make sure you cook it with less water. So after mixing for about 5 to 7 minutes, your fried rice should be done. So there you have it, a Vietnamese style fried rice, Chien Duong Chau. Wasn't this recipe easy to make? If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.